I really enjoy the competitiveness with my other technicians. So I get up every day because I have a drive to help people. Of course, that competitive spirit in me. So at Vector, it's allowed me to bring both of those together. Going to work is just like coming home. I have a great camaraderie with the technicians. We feed off of each other. If I have a problem calling them, they're calling me. We're trying to always learn and improve our knowledge together. With technicians, there's that drive to constantly outdo each other. Definitely makes it fun, enjoyable. One of the perks of working there, for me, it's the competitiveness of being a little bit better. With all the customers that I have installed security systems with, I always try to integrate fire safety into those systems. With Vector Security's central station being able to dispatch fire, police, or EMS quickly and efficiently, I feel like that is an added benefit to a customer's system. And that can be a difference between life and death.